Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. Today we have a blended tone-on-tone card for our color combos with Crystal. We're using an earth tone palette. Let's get started. For this project, we are using Better with H. This is a kit of a month, and we are using the feathers and one of the sentiments along with Sandcastle, icing on the cake, green tea, sauna, daydream, and aquatini. You'll also need a piece of white cardstock. To begin, we're going to begin by blending that Sandcastle, which is a really light brown, and we're going to begin in the center and blending that color out from the center. Once you got that, using the same Sandcastle, we're going to stamp the feather flower from that Better with H kit. Next, using a dark brown, we're going to be stamping the sentiment right on that center. Don't you love red rubber? It stamps perfectly the first time. Then, using the arrow, feather / flower stamp, we are going to ombre a little bit. We're going to be using the different colors, aquatini and daydream, which is a light green and blue. Clean that off, and we're going to do yellow with green for the next stamp set, and you can do two generation stamping, which means that you stamp it twice by inking it once. For a finishing touch, we're going to be using some wooden stars, and the wood just really places really nicely with this earth tone palette. So what do you think? Thank you so much for joining me today for Color Combos with Crystal. Have a great day.